Welcome to our chart series, your go-to guide for mastering data visualization. If you're wondering how to transform numbers into powerful stories, you're in the right place. In this series, we'll explore various chart types, understand when to use them, and learn how to create them step by step. Today, we're kicking off with the pie chart. So, what exactly is a pie chart? A pie chart is a circular graph divided into slices, where each slice represents a proportion of the total. It's perfect for showing percentages or parts of a whole. You'll often see pie charts in reports, dashboards, and presentations. Whether it's visualizing sales by category, market shares, or even budget allocations. Now let's create a pie chart using this data set. We'll demonstrate this in Excel. Make your pie chart stand out. Keep these tips in mind. Use contrasting colors for better readability. Add percentage labels directly to the slices. Avoid 3D effects. They can distort proportions. That's it for today. Remember, pie charts are best for showing proportions, but keep them simple and focused. Now it's your turn. Try creating a pie chart with your own data and share your experience in the comments.